Hi everyone, this is China. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 50 must-know English sentences to talk about food and fruits. No fluff, just pure practical English sentences you can use right away. Let's dive in. To make a fruit salad, you have to prepare apples, oranges, pineapples, and mangoes. Pear, peach, cherry, and kiwi are all tasty fruits. My monkey likes to eat fruits, especially bananas, watermelons, grapes, and tangerines. The caterpillar will eat all my carrots, cucumbers, lettuce, and tomatoes. You should put some dishwashing soap on the leaves. It will protect them. In my sandwich, I want onion, ham, cheese, red pepper, and spinach. Would you also like some broccoli, cauliflower, corn, or cabbage? No, thanks. It'd be fine that way. For birthday party, usually we prepare some seafood in an ice cream cake. Really? I think you also have some oat and honey cookies with green tea. That's true, but the cake was so delicious that I forgot about the rest. I love the Chinese dumplings your Uncle Sam made. May I have more? Would you pass your milk, please? My coffee will taste better with it. With pleasure. Would you also like some sugar? I'd rather like some salt to put in my soup. Alright, everyone, let's do a quick review of what we've learned today. Look at all these lovely pictures down below and try to say their matching sentences out loud. If you get stuck on any of them, just pause the video and go back to that sentence. Keep practicing until you can say them smoothly without looking at the text. If you find my video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.